Hi guys, so today we are going to study about heap sort in C++. Heap sort is a comparison based sorting algorithm that is used in a binary heap. Time complexity usually is big O of n log n. Okay, and work well in competitive programming when you want to guarantee big O of n log n. Okay, a heap is a complete binary tree. If max heap is parent is greater than equal to children. Okay, example 10 children are 500, then 2 and 3. The largest element is always at the root, so 10 is the root and it is the largest element. The idea of a heap sort is heap work in two main steps. Step, build a max heap, convert the array into a max heap. Step 2, repeatedly swap the first element largest with the last element. Okay, and reduce the heap size. Heapify again, this puts the largest element at the end of one by one. Okay, look like this. Okay, so given 4 10 3 5 1, after building the max heap it would be 10 5 3 4 2. Okay, now swap 10 with 1 max heap, repeat, and finally we will hit 1 2 3 4 5 sorted. Okay, that's how it's working. So let me write the code. Hash include. I hope the code is visible to all you guys. Okay, hash include where's std using namespace std void Heapify. Okay, vector int the rate int I. Okay, and int largest is equal to I, int left is equal to 2 cross I, int right is equal to 2 cross 2. Okay, then like we'll write gonna if the left child is larger, for that we'll write if left is less than n and array left at left index greater than array at largest index. Okay, for that it would be something like largest is equal to right. Okay, for if right child is larger, the first one for left child, now right child. Okay, so it would be pretty same, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, no, but we have to change something. Okay, like it should be left because it was for left child. Okay, then let's write something like v okay, okay, for now it's perfect. If right come on, right it should be if the largest element is not the root. Okay, for that if largest is not equal to I, swap array arr largest. Recursively we heapify the affected subtree. For that we'll do heapify array dot command dot n comma largest. Okay, then yeah, that should be sufficient. Okay, we are currently writing a function, not the main array. Okay, so now let me write a function for you all also, so that you don't get confused. In that it will write something like int main vector int array is equal to 4, 10, 3, 5, 1. Okay, then we'll write heap sort in this we'll pass the array. Then for int x arr cout x. Okay, so yeah, let's write down the heap sort function. If void heap sort come on. Yeah, in this we'll take the vector int int n is equal to dot size. First we build the max heap. For that it will be like int I is equal to n cross 2, okay, minus 1, then I is greater than equal to 0 and I increment it. Okay, yeah, then here Heapify function will call yeah, then I. Okay, that should be sufficient. Then we'll do this function will extract the elements, and I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, yeah, so then I is greater than 0, then I decrement. Okay, swap arr 0, then arr I. Okay, then heapify. Okay, arr I. Okay, so everything is fine. Let's run the code. CP. What was the function? What was the file name? Forget the file name. Computer graph map query. History. Okay, cd query. Okay, Yeah. Okay, there are, let's check it out. Number 9, okay. What it's saying, n, the n was not declared in the scope. Yeah, actually they're right, n is not declared. So yeah, we are calling n here. Okay. Int n. And one more error is what? Let's check it out. There is an issue in swap, I can see that, but in detail I want to know. Yeah, so it's very obvious we need a comma. Okay. So yeah, again very basic, but here is also something. Okay, largest was not declared in the scope. That's cool. Largest was declared. So the largest was not declared in the scope. How could it be possible? We have declared the largest already. Area 29. What's the reason? Okay. I'm getting. Yeah. Okay. We have done something wrong. I mean, I will get the swap. Okay. Are you okay? Now let's run. So it compiled successfully. Now let's run. It's sorted there also. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching. Here's the code, here's the explanation. That's it. Thank you.